All right, let's talk about your future. A high-paying, future-proof career in technology isn't just a dream for people in big cities anymore. A massive opportunity is opening up right now, right in the heart of South Punjab. And yeah, I'm talking directly to you. If you're in Multan, Lahore, Dera Ghazi Khan, or Leah, listen up. Are you ready to step into a high-paying tech career without having to move, without having to leave your home? So, how was this possible? Well, one name is making it happen: Corvit Multan. They are bringing that exact future, those high-tech skills, directly to your doorstep. Let's break down what they're offering. First off, you should know they're not new to this. We're talking about an organization that has already successfully certified over 100,000 students all around the world. That's a whole lot of experience, and a track record you can trust. Okay, let's get to the really exciting part: the core of their offer. They call it the 2-for-1 advantage, and honestly, it's a total game changer for anyone looking to get ahead fast. Here's the deal, plain and simple. You sign up for one professional course and you get a second incredibly valuable course absolutely free. That's right, 2 certifications for the price of 1. This is all about making you twice as skilled and twice as hireable. So what does this look like in practice? Well, say you enroll in their artificial intelligence course. They're going to give you a complete data analysis training for free. It makes perfect sense, right? AI runs on data, so now you'll master both sides of the equation. Or maybe you're interested in cybersecurity. Well, get this. You'll get Linux Basics as your free bonus. And anyone in the industry will tell you, knowing Linux is absolutely essential for a career in security. It's the foundation for so many tools of the trade. Here's another amazing combo. You take the main course in CCNA networking, which is all about how networks are built, and your free course, Azure Cloud Fundamentals. So you'll understand both traditional networking and the cloud. That's a skill set every company is looking for right now. And the value just keeps coming. You can get into AWS Cloud and get free Python training on the side, or learn Python programming and get a web development framework course for free. Each one of these pairings is designed to give you a killer combination of skills. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. This sounds amazing, but it's a big commitment. What if it's not for me? Well, they've thought of that, and their solution is pretty incredible. That's right. You can try it out with absolutely zero risk. No catch, no hidden fees. They are so confident in their training that they want you to experience it for yourself before you ever have to make a decision. The process couldn't be simpler. Step 1, you just call and register. Step 2, you show up for a 100% free demo class. Step 3, you get to see the expert trainers in action. And step 4 is the most important. You only enroll if you are totally convinced it's the right move for you. The power is completely in your hands. Okay, so the offer is incredible and it's risk-free. But what about the biggest challenge of all? Time. How do you actually fit this into your busy life? Let's talk about scheduling. They've made this incredibly flexible. If you're in Multan, you can learn right on campus. But if you're anywhere else in South Punjab, you can join online from the comfort of your home. And here's the best part. All classes are in the evening. This is designed specifically so you can learn around your current job or your studies. No need to quit your life to build your future. So we've covered the amazing 2-in-1 offer, the risk-free trial, and the flexible schedule. There's just one more crucial piece of information you need: the when. Okay, write this down. Every single one of these courses, AI, cybersecurity, cloud, all of them, kicks off on one single day, September 8th, 2025. That's the start date. That's the day your new career path can begin. Look, this is more than just a training program. This is your chance. This is your moment to build an amazing, future-proof career without leaving your community right here in South Punjab. So what are you waiting for? Your next step is easy. Pick up your phone and call this number, 0300-286-2221. Call that number now to register for your free demo class. Do it today because you need to know. Seats for these demos are limited and you don't want to miss out. Go ahead, make the call.